everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof
and Lee, and today we're in the kitchen. I know it's a little alarming to see me in the kitchen. I feel the same way, but here I am.
Something always goes wrong when this happens.
You don't know that? That's not always true.
Today we're making jerky.
And onions.
And onions. My beautiful wife decided she was breaking out the food dehydrator and making some healthy snacks. So I thought, well, of course I'll give you my famous recipe. It's the least I can do, Betty Crocker.
She's creating it on the fly. She's not even fooling anybody.
So come along. We'll make some jerky. And onions.
And onions! And the dehydrator. Easy peasy.
What could go wrong?
Nothing can go wrong. It's easy.
So let me tell you a story. Hardworking woman that I am faithfully goes to work every day, slaving in the coal mines. Not really, but go with me here. I work all day, I work all night, I come home, I work some more. It's an exhausting thing, and I give my wife one job. I say, wife, love of my life, keeper of the home front, the Betty to my Crocker, I need you to handle the dehydrator for me. She said, sure, I got it, that's no problem. I said, make sure they're done. If not, start them back. They might need a little more time. Sure, no problem, I got this. Okay. I come back and I'm like, we have company here, and why are we all chewing on sticks that you obviously picked up from the backyard? And she said, what do you mean? This is the jerky. Now, I know when I left, the jerky was done and it was fine. The onions needed some more time. They were still little, not quite crisp. My wife proceeded to restart the onions and also let the jerky go for another cycle. So imagine having a piece of jerky that doubles as a toothpick. Floss, floss, floss. You could probably clean battery acid off battery terminals with this stuff. I mean, the dog wouldn't eat it, but here my wife is on the damn couch like a damn beaver. It's fine. It's not fine. It's not fine at all. Nothing about this is fine. And I said, please tell me you did not give it to the house guests. We love it. And I'm like, no, they don't love it. They don't love it. They're being nice because they're guests. You're feeding our guests charcoal briskets. It's not okay. So, needless to say, the onions, they were fine. They were fine. Let me tell you, people. Should you ever need a recipe for the food dehydrator, or if you liked this one, the recipe should be in the comments because I had it written down for her, the marinade for the jerky. Let us know. If you liked these type of videos, let us know. I've got a lot of great recipes that I put in the dehydrator that are amazing. Healthy snacks for everybody. Even if you don't like it, I'll probably still make the video because again, healthy snacks for everybody. We do have our onions complete, nice and crispy, good to go. We use them as snacks. Joe and Sarah, thanks very much for the tip. They're amazing like that. Or you can also use them in your cooking, like dehydrated onions, really nice. Catch us next time. And again, let me know if you want some more of these videos. My wife, though she's great at setting them up, don't let her complete it. We'll catch you guys next time when hopefully I'm around to make sure the video goes well.
Hey baby?
Yeah.
We need to do that video on the beef jerky and the onions.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
gotta
just talked about your charcoal briskets. Everybody loved them. We're really great. Bye.
Baby, they were good.
No, they weren't.
Don't listen to her, they were good.